Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on transformation inversion. Let us solve the problem. Find the image of the line y is equal to x under the transformation w is equal to z minus 1 divided by z plus 1. And to obtain that transformation, here given function is w is equals to z minus 1 divided by z plus 1. Transferring this z plus 1 to left hand side, we get w into z plus 1 is equal to z minus 1. Collecting the terms of z on left hand side, we get wz minus z is equals to minus 1, and then transferring that to right hand side, we get minus w, and therefore it is w minus 1 multiplied by z is equals to minus of 1 plus w. Dividing by w minus 1, we get z is equals to minus of 1 plus w divided by w minus 1. Multiplying by minus inside the bracket, we get 1 plus w divided by 1 minus w. And then further simplification, substitute z as x plus iy and w as u plus iv. We get 1 plus u plus iv divided by 1 minus again w as u plus iv. Collecting the real terms in one bracket, we get the real term as 1 plus u and plus iv and divided by 1 minus u and minus iv. A complex number on left hand side and two complex number on the right hand side, and then rationalizing it means multiplying by its conjugate, multiplying and dividing by its conjugate. The conjugate is 1 minus u plus iv and divide by the same number, that is 1 minus u plus iv. And then rewriting it by taking actual multiplication, we get 1 plus u into 1 minus u, 1 plus u into 1 minus u, iv into iv, it becomes I square v, but I square is minus 1, therefore it becomes minus v square plus iv into it is 1 plus u into that iv means remaining term is 1 plus u, and this iv into this 1 minus u, iv we are taking common, therefore plus 1 minus u. Whole divided by a product of a plus b into a minus b type of term. Its product is a square minus b square, and therefore it is 1 minus u whole square and minus I square v square. We get it is a plus b into a minus b. That product is a square means 1 square minus u square and this minus v square as the real term plus iv multiplied by 1 plus 1, we get 2, u minus u get cancelled means it is 2 whole divided by 1 minus u whole square, bracket square. I square is minus 1, therefore minus, and this minus will become plus v square. And then taking a separate division, left hand side we have a complex number, on right hand side also we have another complex number. Therefore comparing that two complex number, we get real part is equal to real part, that is x is equal to 1 minus u square minus v square divided by 1 minus u bracket square plus v square, and y imaginary part, that is equals to 2v divided by 1 minus u bracket square plus v square. And then we have to obtain the image. Therefore, the line is y is equal to x. Therefore, substituting the value of y and x here, we get y means 2v divided by 1 minus u bracket square plus v square, and that is equal to x. X means 1 minus u square minus v square whole divided by 1 minus u bracket square plus v square. This term get cancelled on both sides, therefore we get, that is 1 minus u square minus v square, that is equals to 2v. This is nothing but transferring this to other side, we get u square plus v square plus 2v minus 1 is equals to 0. This is the image, as the image of line y is equal to x in w plane. And therefore, this is representing general equation of the circle. And then comparing with the general form of the general equation of the circle, we get 2g is equals to 0, 2f is equals to, the coefficient of v is here 2, it gives you g is equals to 0 and f is equals to 1, and therefore the center is minus g minus f. Therefore that center is, the value of g is 0, therefore it is 0, and f is 1, therefore this is minus 1. Therefore 0 minus 1 is the center of that circle. Radius is given by root of g square plus f square minus c, and therefore it is root of g is 0, 0 square is 0, f square 1 square, and minus c, the value of c is here minus 1, therefore minus minus it becomes plus 1, therefore that value of radius is root 2. Therefore we have to draw that image with the center 0 minus 1 and radius as root 2 in w plane. Therefore I will show that two figures. One is y is equal to x in z plane, and another figure, that is the image of this line in w plane with this center and radius as root 2. We try to draw the line y equal to x. Y equal to x means the slope is 1 and angle of inclination is 45 degree passing through first and third. This is the line y equal to x in z plane. Then we have to draw its image in w plane, which is nothing but a circle, general equation of circle, center at 0 minus 1 and radius as root 2. U axis, V axis, origin. This point is 0 minus 1 as the center. This much distance is root 2. Therefore, with this center and this radius, we get a circle in W plane whose equation is u square plus v square plus 2v minus 1 equals to 0. This is the equation of that circle. Therefore, the image of this line y is equal to x in W plane is u square plus v square plus 2v minus 1 equal to 0, representing general equation of the circle. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive the notification for my new videos. Press the bell icon. Thank you. Thanks for watching.